Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. Today is day 17 of FACEMASKTOBER and we are going to be testing out the Maskology Collagen Melting Web Mask. I am super excited to try this out. It looks so interesting. I mean, what I'm looking at here, I would think that this is some type of, like it says, like a web kind of mask. So I'm really interested to see what it actually looks like when we get it open here. But it is a two-step mask. It has a skin tightening activator as step 1, and then step 2 is the collagen mask. This is the non-surgical two-step facelift mask. The activating niacinamide and jojoba oil cream begin to hydrate and firm the skin. Then the collagen web mask reacts. Then the collagen web mask reacts to this cream, partially melting it into the skin while the remaining web lifts and tightens the skin. So step 1, wash your face to remove makeup and environmental toxins. We're done with that. Step 2, apply an even layer of the skin tightening activator. Step 3, gently remove and unfold the collagen web mask and place on your face, adjusting the eyes, nose, and mouth, opening accordingly. Relax for 20 minutes while the mask is in place, and the last step is remove the mask and discard. No need to rinse. Massage remaining product into your face and neck. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut the top off from the bottom here. That way I've got two separate things. I say things wrong. Well aware. And I'm just going to cut off the top part. Okay, I'm just going to do half first because I already got quite a bit on my hand there. I'm going to attempt to do my hair while I have this mask on. We'll see if it works out or not. I need to curl my hair. Oh yeah, there's already so much on my face. I don't know if I can put any more on. Oh, it's dripping everywhere. Okay, I'm throwing that. That should be all of it. I was going to put it down the face or down the neck. I don't think I'm going to be able to do my hair while I do this. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I still got a lot on my hands. Okay, so now I'm going to open the next part here. And I'm just going to open it sideways. Okay, so this is dry, so I'm glad I put the extra stuff on my face. That's what it looks like. So it is a little bit web looking like. It's not crazy looking like their picture. Oh, it's two-piece. I don't know why I didn't realize that. Alright, so this is what it looks like. That's kind of interesting. I don't know which side I'm supposed to put on my face. There's kind of a texture on one side. I'm assuming I put the texture side down. Okay, it doesn't say, but this side is kind of textured and this other side is just smooth. So I'm assuming you would put the texture side down. So that's what I'm going to do. It's kind of like paper. I'm guessing that this just kind of helps it like stay on your skin until it's time to take it off instead of letting the air dry it out. This helps it soak into your skin really good. Like I really need to press it to make sure it's even. These masks always feel weird on my nose. It's like a little too long on my nose. And here is the bottom. I'm not gonna lie, that kind of itches. Like around my chin area. So since it's October right now, Travel Channel has Ghost Adventures on like 24/7, so I've been watching it. I've seen episodes I've never seen before, so it's kind of crazy. Right now there's one on where it has dolls, and Zach, like the host, is super scared of dolls, and it's hilarious. Honestly, I probably would be too. Him and Bunny should do a show together. Okay, well, I think I got it on the best I can. I wish it was sticking to my chin area a little bit better, but it doesn't seem to want to. So, what was it, 20 minutes? Yep, 20 minutes. So let me set the clock. Alright, it's going already. So we'll be back in 20 minutes to let you know what I think. Okay, so we are back. It has been 20 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and remove the mask, and I believe you just peel it off. Yeah, remove and discard. So, I did notice something, and I'll show it to you here. It's almost like bonded together. And I'll show you what I noticed here. You can kind of tell that it didn't stick very well, but to the places that it did, it's dissolved. That like weird layer that was in there, so then it's just the webbing, so you can kind of really tell down here. So I'm wishing that it would have stuck better, and I don't really understand why it didn't. I almost wonder if I get this wet and were to stick it on again, if it would stick better, but I don't know. I'm not sure why it didn't stick very well. But like even up here, it dissolved in some places. So I'm thinking that it was supposed to completely dissolve. And it didn't say that you're supposed to massage in the remaining serum, but honestly, it's pretty much all dissolved. I mean, my face feels a little bit sticky, but there are no spots where it's like still wet where I can rub it in. I mean, there's a little bit on my nose right there. And then my neck, where there was no face mask at, it's still like it just feels like lotion, basically. Lotion that you haven't rubbed in all the way. So yeah, not really sure how you would rub the remaining product in besides the spots where it's still kind of built up a little bit. Basically, the concept of this mask is to have it lift, so have it hydrate and have it firm your skin. So my face actually does really feel hydrated, even though the serum has basically all sunk in to your skin or whatever, which is the point. So it does feel really hydrated. I will give it that. As far as to lifting, yeah, I guess I can see like a little bit here on the sides, but not really anywhere else. But yeah, this was pretty fun. I would definitely try it out again just to see if I could get this to like completely dissolve into like just the webbing. To end this video, I am actually going to go get my toner and spray it on my face and put this back on and see what happens. So I'm gonna go grab that real quick. Ow, that's poke myself in the eye with my nail. Don't do that. Okay, and I'm gonna spray again. I will say one thing, I can't tell which side has the webbing on it anymore. Maybe that's what I did wrong. Maybe I put it on the wrong way, but it doesn't tell you. Can't really make a mistake if the instructions aren't clear, right? That's on my eye. Okay, so I'm back. I let this sit on for about another 20 minutes again. I went and curled my hair because I've been meaning to get that done. So I'm going to take it off, and I'm pretty sure it's all has, well, I'm pretty sure more of it has dissolved now. I can get it to start coming off here. It's like really stuck to the other one. So not all the way, but a lot more of it has dissolved now. It's kind of hard to tell. Yeah, the top didn't really go all the way either, so I'm not really sure. It must have to be really, really wet in order to get that stuff to dissolve on it. So that's going to be everything for this mask. If you have tried it out yet, if you're going to go pick it up, please comment down below and let me know. Thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. That way you don't miss out on my future videos. And until tomorrow's next FACEMASKTOBER video, I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye, everybody.